Of the things I really should have said. Rain on me. Was better off saying nothing after all. Rain on me. Wouldn't you say I seem perfectly cliche? Rain on me. The weather was invisible when I was okay. So here's to the dreams in our head. Toast briefly, just like I said. Oh, you know, I know, who knows, who cares? Wait, what you think you're even talking about? If we ain't gonna stop till the morning, jumping from a yesterday to any day, the glass remains, I promise I'll play. Asam kang gitarya, just hear me out. Ooh, just feel so sad inside, another day folded up in my bed now. Ooh, it seems like loneliness don't has come again, so I can't forget about tomorrow. Rain on me. Deja vu, or maybe I've been here before. Rain on me. The voices on my shoulders saying go get some more. Rain on me. I thought the fire's been put out, did I pretend? Rain on me. Whether I'm indivisible, I guess that depends. Oh, my darling, yeah. Though asleep, we're falling. This black and white thing that we're in, tied up inside the bow of rain. Keeping it up till the morning. I'm not sorry, all my lazy ways I mentioned, shaking up the promise I made. Cause I like it as I'm spinning out. Ooh, just feel so sad inside, another day folded up in my bed now. Just feel so sad.